All right, what's going on, guys? This is Hunter, and today I've just been kind of exploring the show. As you guys know, if you guys have been watching me, I do a lot of like fifth wheels and destinations. That's kind of like my bread and butter. If you've been watching me, you kind of realize that. Now, I nearly always do brand new campers, like your 2025s. They just came out, or something that's truly interesting. But I'm going to do probably the first 2024, so it's going to be a leftover model, because it is a floor plan that I've never seen before. Now, I have in like your motorhome world, but I thought this was such an interesting floor plan for a travel trailer. Plus, it's in a brand that a lot of people just don't know about. This is going to be the Connect, and I forget the model, so I'll check that out because they got a little sticker up there. But the Connect is an extremely well-built brand. It's by KZ. They don't overproduce them and cookie cutter them out. Also, look at the stadium right there. It's such a cool little shot. But it's a really high-quality travel trailer. But I just thought that this floor plan was such like a special one, like really resonated with me. You have a big closet up front. You have a secondary little closet kind of like right off the bat. But I mean, look at that floor plan. So neat, I think. Kind of reminds me of a motorhome. Obviously, you know, well, it doesn't remind me of a motorhome because the bathroom wouldn't be up front. It doesn't make sense. You know what? That goes back to the hiring me because I'm friendly. You know what I mean? But you have 2024 Connect 302 FBK show special at 46,888. So, you know, MSRP of 66,807. And I would love to hear what you guys think. Now, right here, you're going to get a griddle that pulls out. You also have an outdoor refrigerator, dual axles, as well as a little bit of, you know, Equiflex suspension. So a little bit of upgraded suspension there. As far as the tires are concerned, they're going to be Goodyears as well. And they're going to be the ST225 75 R15. You also have a little outdoor refrigerator for about a 24-pack of Ruski of some brewskis. You're going to have the spare tire, bumper, and a hitch that can hold up to 300 pounds. You also have a ladder that holds 250 to get on top of your fully walkable roof with some backup camera prep. Now let's go ahead and get into the fun stuff. Oh, you also have power stabilizing jacks. Let's get right on in to that inside. If you guys don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button. It'll be a little bit of a different video than usual because we are down here at the show. But I mean, what do you guys think about this? I just thought either I'm going crazy because I've been in too many campers, fair assessment, or this is just something that's different. This is that fifth wheel. Kind of reminds me of a Rockwood that I recently did, or a Cougar that I recently did as well, where it's just kind of open and roomy. But you also get pretty good head height here as well. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall, and you're looking at about, heck, probably 6'7" for interior height. You got a little sunroof right there. Oh gosh. Sorry for the face. That's going to be goofy. Almost broke my darn thing. So right here, you're going to have some recliners. This center part also goes up and down, which is nice. You got a couple cup holders, and then you have the outlets and 2 USBs, along with heat and massage with more USBs right there as well. You're also going to have the dinette for some additional sleeping, which is really nice. And then, of course, you got storage there up underneath. Really nice open windows as well, which is pretty darn snazzy. And they open up for a good cross breeze, too. They're also going to be tinted. And as you can see, they have the Dracula shade to stop the old skin from sizzling, keep some nosy eyes out. Now, the view from when you're sitting down, you got to put your eyes up. It's going to be just like that of the TV, which is nice. Decent size, nothing crazy, but it's also not so close to you. If it's any bigger, it'd start kind of like, you know, blurring out your eyeballs. Did I show you this? I don't know if I did. Like I said, I've been talking to myself all day, so, you know, gotta cover all my bases. 12-volt refrigerator, which I think is pretty darn cool. You know, big old refrigerator section. I'm gonna guess this has got to be a little bit bigger than the 10. Maybe it's 10.7. Could be a 12. Pretty nice. A lot of countertop space in this floor plan. A lot of countertop space, and it's all gonna be that solid, you know, hard wrap plastic. Which, babe, if you're watching, I love you. 3 top burner to whip up all the fixins. And then you have an oven big enough for maybe like some cookies or something of that nature. You also have the pull-out drawer, microwave, and then more storage there too as well. Plus you are going to have, you know, the overhead storage with the tinted windows there too. You're also going to notice you have, you know, the high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. And then bada bang. Bada boom. Underneath the sink, you're going to get some pretty good, you know, systems going on there. You also got all your plumbing is going to be, you know, cooped up in the corner. 4 more pull-out drawers. And then more storage there. Let's go ahead and check out the bedroom, then the bathroom, because I just think they're really nicely set up, and I would really value your guys' opinion if you don't mind, dropping a comment on what you think. A lot of good storage in here into the bedroom, plus you have a little bit of corner storage as well. You're going to have a TV with the backlight, which I think is nice. King bed as well. This is where it starts to start feeling like that motorhome feel, that fifth wheel feel. I think it's more in the size that it reminds me of, but you also get a little bit of storage underneath, lights on both sides, outlets on both sides, along with the window there. And let's see what's behind that door. Look at that, a little bit of hanging space. That is pretty darn nice. You got another AC in here too, both of which are going to be 15K. But look at this bathroom. Travel trailer, guys. Got the little couple situation here. You also got, a little cubby there for some more stiff-a-rooney. And then 3, you also have lights down at the bottom. You're also going to have the shower there as well. And this is going to have the pull-out. And then on either side, you have the boxing in there. And then you also get the hanging rod there too as well with the cover for the front window. But all right, guys. What do you guys think? I know this was a pretty short tour here. I'm going to go see how many people are outside and see if I can show you the front of the camper and the opposite side. But I think it's pretty darn cool. But again, it's the 2025 Connect 302 FBK. And here's kind of the stats on it again. But again, I will put all the specifications, weight, length, tank sizes, awning sizes, down in the description, along with a link for Funtown RV, where you can access this or any of their other floor plans that they got. So right up in the front, you're going to notice you get a little bit more storage here. You also have the 3/4 front cap as well with the rock guard. You'll see you have 2 different batteries on here with the battery disconnect, 2 20-pound propane bottles, and then your power tongue jack here as well. Coming around to the other side, you have 2 slides on this side. You are eligible for both of them to put on slide toppers, which is nice. That's basically going to prevent any sort of tree branches from falling on top of your unit, and eventually causing any sort of disturbance there or any types of leaks or anything. I am Hunter, yes.
Nice to meet you, Hunter.
Nice to meet you. All right, so sorry about that. So basically what I was getting at is you have the 2 slides here up on the outside, both of which are eligible for slide toppers if you would like to help prevent, some leaks. So right over here is going to be your pass-through storage, but you also have your docking station. So what's nice about that, let's see if it's open. It is not, but you'll have like your different water controls, your black tank flush, things of that nature. This Fagati is going to be an on-demand tankless hot water system. So, easier, faster heat, hotter heat than your gas and electric. Theoretically, it won't run out unless you have, lack of propane. That's going to be where your dump valves are. And then as you flip it around, back over to those Goodyear tires there. And then, heck, now you're down in the back of the camper. There's going to be your waste holding tanks there too as well. And then, like I said, you got your bumper spare tire, 2-inch receiver, and your backup camera prep. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I hope to see you next time. Again, my name is Hunter, and this was the 2024 Connect 302 FBK. See you.